Hi guys, so today we are going to know about data table facet and output link used in the VF page. First of all, we'll know what is page block table, data table, data list, and then repeat. So page block table is used to add custom look and feel. No, page block table is used to add standard look and feel. So data table is used to add custom styling to the VF page, and then data list is used to display item as ordered or unordered, and then repeat is used to display in free format. Okay, so let's see one example for page block table. Okay, now here standard controller is taken as the account in this example. Let's take this example. Okay, so first we have to log in into our org. I'm going to log into my org. It will take some time to open developer console. Okay, so let's copy paste this program. So here we'll display the case details of an account record, and columns are taken and header value is also taken. So here only account details are displayed. So let's save this and preview what we'll get. So the way page will be previewed now. So here page block table value is taken as account.cases and variable as taken as CS. So like this the page is displayed. Let's take another example. Okay, This one is the standard list controller because record set var attribute is taken here. So let's see how this will be displayed. So we have to display the case details of an account record. Let's paste this. And here first account fields are displayed, and then the case numbers are displayed, and here we have used repeat component to display the case numbers. Okay, so after cs.case number we have used nbsp for space between the case numbers. Okay, so one account can have many cases, so let's preview this. So like this the account details and case details are displayed. See here, if you observe, case numbers are obtained in a comma separated format. So one account has many cases, so we have used repeat here. So repeat is used to display the in free format, so we have used repeat here in this example for display the case numbers. Okay, see, the case numbers are displayed in the free format here. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic called data table. So let's see the example for data table. It's a big program, and we'll see what are the attributes we can use in this data table. Okay, so with this example we can learn what are the attributes used in the data table and how you can style the page according to the needs. Okay, so let's copy paste this. So here you observe border is used to for the border of the table. So cell padding is used to give the space in the cell. Okay. So rows are used to display the number of rows in a table, and cell spacing is used to create the spacing between the cells. Okay. So next one is rules. If you give rules as rows, so rules are displayed only among the rows. So if you give rules as columns, then the rules will be displayed only among the columns. Okay. Frame is used to obtain the frame for the table. Okay, next one is width is used to obtain the width between the columns. Okay, next one is style. So styling is here we have given the background as gray color. So here style class is used to obtain the different font color. So here the field names are obtained in different color if you observe. So row classes, so if you want to highlight any rows, so row classes can be used. Okay, so these are the most important attributes we can use in the data table. So let's move on to the next topic called facet. So facet is used to place the label to the parent component with respect to the name attribute. So name can be header, footer and caption. Okay, see if you observe here this example, so inside the column component facet is used actually. So here it is taken as the header, name is header and the company name, company value is given. So if you want to give for the data another name, so we can use the facet. So if you want to give another label for the data you displayed, so you can use the facet, and facet should be included in between the column component. Okay, so it can be used as a header, footer and caption. So let's take the one example for the facet. Okay, so let's take this example. So here if you observe, data table is taken and in between the column component facet is taken. So priority is taken as the header, and then list of accounts is taken as the caption. So let's preview how it will be displayed. Okay, see if you observe here, list of accounts is displayed as a caption because we have used in the facet name attribute as caption. So okay, so if you want to give custom label, so we can use the facet component. Okay, so here priority is taken as the header, and instead of rating we have taken as a priority custom label for the rating. Okay, so like this, if you want to give custom label, then we can use facet using, so it is the header value attribute in the column. Okay, so okay, so okay, See here we have given priority as a custom label. Okay, priority is taken as the header, and then list of accounts is taken as the caption, the name attribute in the Facet component. Okay, let's go for another example. Okay, so how to display the data as a custom link? So we can do it by using output link component. So if you click on the output link, then it will go directly to the detail page. So for this purpose we use the output link component, and let's take one example. So here account ID is taken. So if you click on the account name, it will go directly to the account detail page. Okay, so here we have to include compulsory slash in between the quotations and then the flower bracket. Okay, so then it will get directly to the detail page. So if you want to go to the detail page, so in the preview page we have to include the ID of the any account in the string query. Okay, so here the data is not displaying, if you observe, and the account name is also not displaying. So let's go to the next example and then we'll come back to this. Okay, let's take this another example. I'll see how will be displayed data by using the string query in the ID, using the ID attribute. Okay, so let's see this example now. First we'll come back to this. So here the standard list controller is taken for the account object. So here only for the account name we used output link component. Okay, let's save this and we will know what we will get as a preview. So here if you click on the account name, account names are only displayed as the output link in this example. Let's preview this. So if you observe here, the account names are only displayed as the output links because we used the output link component only for the account names. See, it will be redirected to the directly account name. So okay, see, output link is used for this purpose. So let's get back to the previous example now. So here, if you observe, the data is not displayed, so we'll take one ID after the question mark. ID is equal to, and then we'll take one account ID and we'll paste into this URL. Okay, so here we'll take this account ID. So ID is equal to, okay, see, now the data will be displayed and the account name will be displayed as the output link. Okay, see, the data is displayed, account data is. So here, if you click on this, so it should be redirected, but here one error is there because we removed the slash in the account ID. So in the coding we have to include the slash before the flower brackets. See, in the output link value we have to include the slash, then only it will be redirected to the account page. It is very important to include the slash before the flower brackets, so before we mention any value. Okay, so after the quotations we have to include the slash. So let's save this and again preview what we will get. So let's paste again the ID in the URL. So let's get to the string query. Okay, now we'll click on the account name. See, it will be redirected to the account, okay, directly. So in this way output link is used. Okay, so these are the examples about data table, facet and output link. Okay, we'll see more about checkbox and URL and more components in the VF page in the next video. So see you guys in the next video. Okay, thank you.